Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on this video. This is the Skoda Octavia hatchback and it's the SEL 1.4 petrol manual. This is in the race blue metallic paint. So as standard, the SELs will have the half leather and half micro suede upholstery, and this continues throughout the whole car. So there are currently 29,585 miles on the clock. Comes with automatic light setting, all 4 electric windows, and the wing mirror controls, which are electric and heated. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.